At this time, your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later. Instagram Live. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, we have to make sure that our Instagram application is updated to its latest version on our device. So let's go to the Play Store application and search for it. So as you can see, there's no option of update. It means that our application is updated to its latest version. So we're going to go back and then we're going to make a long press on Instagram app and then tap on app info. Then after this, you just need to tap on clear data bottom at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then clear cache, tap on OK. Then tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have toggled on the required options required for the application, such as files and media, microphone, camera, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.